Okay, I'm going to show you now a different way of casting on the stitches. This is a faster way in the way that we avoid doing that first row that is very difficult. So let's see how we are going to work. Before we do the project, the first thing that we have to do is to calculate how much yarn we will need. This is long tail cast on, and this is only one of the different styles that we have to cast on the stitches. We already saw the one that you have to put it like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so forth. But the problem is that in here we are not going to have the first row, and it's going to be very difficult, the first row. So what I'm going to do now is to show you how to do the long tail cast on, and I'm going to have two threads here. One is going to be the shorter tail, and the other one is going to be the longer tail that is connected to the ball. So what I'm going to do is first to do a slip knot here to secure this one, okay? And be sure that you have the short tail, this one, okay, next to your thumb, and the other one you are going to put it in the other side. So look at how I'm going to do it. I'm going to take the two yarns together. This is the small one, and this is the long one, the one that is connected to the ball. So I'm going to take both with my fingers like this, okay, and then I'm going to put inside my two fingers the thumb underneath the short tail, you see, and the index finger underneath the long tail, or the one that is connected to the ball. Once we have it like this, okay, I'm going to do the same movement several times. First I'm going to go down here, and then I pick up the other one. Give me 1 second. Okay, so again I go down the thumb, and then in the upper side of the index finger. When I release this, I'm going to have already my second stitch. Then again I'm going to hold this tight. Let me fix this. Okay, so I'm going to hold the two yarns. Remember, always the short one underneath the thumb, and the other one, or I'm sorry, above the thumb, and the other one above the index finger, and I grab both with the back of my hand. Some people put it in between two fingers, so it's going to be easier. So what you have to do is to pass it underneath and then above the other one, and the short one is going to be the one that secures the stitch. So again, down and up and inside the loop, down and up and inside the loop, again down and up and inside the loop. So I secure this. So I have already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 stitches. I'm going to pause it until I have 20. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, again always the same, 17, 18, 19, and 20. And look at the short tail, now it's much shorter. So you need to know how to calculate how much yarn you need to leave, and we are going to do that in the next video. So this is the long tail cast on, and it's going to work similarly, but you can see that we already have here some work done. That means that the first row is already done.